A very good evening and warm welcome to you all for this valedictory section, and also like for the faculty Atal sponsored faculty development program organized by Bundelkhand Institute of Engineering and Technology and Advances in Micromachining Processes from September 21 to 25th. Thank you all for joining these 5 days, and I hope each and every one of the participants have received what they actually wanted. And for our valedictory function, for a valedictory session, we have with us as a chief guest today Professor A.K. Dubey sir from MNIT Allahabad. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. And also, thank you, sir. And also, I welcome our head of the department, Professor Sanjay Agarwal, sir. Thank you, sir, for joining us today. And also, I just welcome the course coordinator, Dr. Arun Kumar Pandey, sir, for organizing the course. Thank you for joining us, sir. And also, thank you all the participants for joining us for this valedictory session. Now, I request Dr. Arun Kumar Pandey, sir, to give us an overview of how the sessions have gone throughout this FDP.
Thank you, Naveen. Good afternoon to all of you. Honorable Chief Guest of today's valedictory functions, Professor A.K. Dubey, sir, respected Director, Professor P.M. Pandey, sir, respected Head of Mechanical Engineering Department, Professor Sanjay Agrawal, sir, other faculty members, and dear participants. A very good evening to all of you. On this auspicious occasion, I would like to welcome you all for the valedictory functions of this online Atal FDP on the advances in micro manufacturing. Stars shine at night, some stars shine at bright daylight. It's my pleasure to welcome one such stars, Professor A.K. Dubey, sir, the honorable chief guest of today's function. I welcome you, sir. The essence of great leadership is influence or non-authority. With this note, I wholeheartedly welcome to Professor P.M. Pandey, sir, Director of our institute, to these functions. We celebrate your leadership and keep on influencing us. I welcome you, sir. I would like to warmly welcome Professor Sanjay Agrawal, sir, Head of the Mechanical Engineering Department of VIT, Jhansi. He who put his whole soul heart in uplifting others, a time dignity. Yes, I welcome to all the dignitaries. I welcome you, sir. Last but not least, I sincerely welcome to all the participants of the FDP. You are the stars of these functions. Once again, I welcome to all the gathering on these valedictory functions. Now, I will take only few minutes about the discussions of the course. I would like to discuss briefly about the Atal FDP in this FDP. Total 14 lectures were conducted in the last 5 days. Most of the speakers are from the IITs. About 11 speakers are from the IITs, basically. From the IITs, basically, 2 speakers from the IIT Kanpur, Professor J. Ram Kumar, sir, and Professor B.K. Jain, sir. From IIT Kanpur, Professor Sunil Pandey, sir, and Professor P.M. Pandey, sir, from the IIT Delhi. Professor Santosh Kumar, Professor Meghanshu Vasisht, and Professor Joy Prakash Misra from IIT BHU, Professor Manas Das from IIT Guwahati, and Dr. Varun Sharma from the IIT Roorkee, and Professor A.K. Dubey, sir, who are the chief guest of today's functions, are the speakers from the MNIT Allahabad. And one speaker is also from the RR Kite in Indore, basically, that are the Dr. B.N. Upadhyay, sir. And one speaker is also from the outside of the country, basically, that is from the University of Johannesburg, South Africa, that is Professor Kapil Gupta, sir. Total 115 participants that have participated in this faculty development program all over the India. Maximum participants are from the south part of the India, basically, that's are from the Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Karnataka, as well as Maharashtra. and some other states also from the north, UP, MP, Delhi, Punjab, Haryana, like that. I hope that all the participants have enjoyed all the technical sessions as well as the non-technical sessions basically and learned a lot from this FDP. Thank you one and all. Thank you once again for all the gathering basically. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for the kind words, and thank you for the. And now I request our head of the department, Professor Sanjay Agarwal, sir, to share his views on the faculty development program that has been organized throughout these 5 days. Welcome, sir.
Okay. First of all, I would like to thank Professor Dubey from NIT Allahabad for sparing time for this course and give valuable information to the participants and gracing the occasion. I would also thanks to our director, sir, Professor P.M. Pandey, for their constant support and encouragement for this course, without which it would not have been possible for us to conduct this course in the department. And as far as the participants are concerned, just now Professor Pandey, Arun Pandey has told me that about 15 participants has participated from all over country. So I hope every participant has enjoyed listening the lectures of eminent professors, especially from IITs and NITs, and got benefited from this. And I hope whenever they will go back to their institutions or where they are working, they will interact with other people and they will share their knowledge. In this way, it will spread to community and society as a whole. So thank you once again to each and every participants for participating in the institution. And the last, I would like to thank to Dr. Arun Kumar Pandey, the course coordinator, for organizing such a course in the department. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Next, I humbly request our chief guest, Professor A.K. Dubey, sir, that the lecture that you have heard. Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your wise words, but also we would like to just address our gathering in brief and also just encourage us, encourage the participants on how we should go forward with such type of courses. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Director of the IIT Jhansi, Professor P.M. Pandey. Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering, IIT Jhansi, Dr. Sanjay Agarwal ji. Course Coordinator, Dr. Arun Kumar Pandey ji. Faculty members of the IIT Jhansi, and participants from different parts of the country and the students of IIT Jhansi who have joined this course. A very good evening to all of you. Before saying anything, let me convey my thanks to the organizing team and especially Dr. Arun Kumar Pandey for inviting me as a speaker for one of the sessions and also giving me opportunity to interact you as a chief guest and in this particular program. You know, as Dr. Pandey was telling, this program is sponsored by All India Council for Technical Education. So we should be thankful of Government of India and the ICT in Delhi who are providing us such an opportunity where we are able to interact with different experts of a specific field who are renowned worldwide. And if I see such type of programs are normally organized by IITs and NITs or other central universities and institutes of national importance, we should congratulate here the organizer and especially course coordinator Dr. Arun Pandey for applying and getting green signal from ICT to organize this course at the State Engineering College like VIT. VIT Jhansi has been a known institution in the India for its academics and nowadays research work as well. So it is a new edition that you have started this Atal FDG program as well. The topic of the program was also judicially selected, which is on micro manufacturing processes. You know what is happening in this changing scenario day by day. The materials are changing. Why materials are changing? You know, it is hard work of material researchers of the world, and we are developed because these characteristic materials are have high demand in the advanced manufacturing industries. So day by day they are developing such materials and giving opportunity for our manufacturing fraternity to make arrangements for shaping them. You know, you can say whether it may be boon or curse for our fraternity, what manufacturing researchers are doing. But, you know, we are doing research and our committee is able to develop different ways of machining, manufacturing or shaping such high quality materials which are having somewhat restricted characteristic as far as manufacturing is concerned. You know, we have been able to manufacture the materials at different level from macro level to micro level, and nowadays companies are manufacturing industries are demanding materials with nano level finish and micro level accuracy. So different types of arrangements in micro manufacturing category has been developed, but still there are many challenges. For example, from the point of energy efficiency and environment, the advanced manufacturing processes, if you see, these are not energy efficient processes. And if you see the whole manufacturing volume, so most of the volume is covered by machining processes. So machining is a material removal process, and you know the wastage from the material removal that has to be managed properly. So from environment point of view, it is also a challenge. So it is not only the shaping of material, whatever be the improved mechanical properties or physical property of the material. The challenge is also to use minimum energy, and the process should be environment friendly as well. So it is a challenge, and we manufacturing engineers should think about that as well. The second thing is availability of skilled labor. When you are manufacturing using specific machine tools, advanced machine tools, okay, so it is becoming very difficult to find the skilled labor as well. And what happens when there is some problem in the machining system or manufacturing system, it is becoming quite difficult to repair and maintain the same. So such things are also challenging as far as our community is concerned. Though nowadays the use of artificial intelligence and IoT is expected to facilitate and smoothen the functioning of these advanced manufacturing systems as well. So we have to work, and everything can be accomplished by hard work only. So whatever we have achieved, we can appreciate it, but at the same time, we should have to continue our hard work to remove other difficulties, other challenges in the field of manufacturing as well. see other side of the challenges. We have been able to integrate the nanoparticles for developing the different types of materials. Okay, so we can control the properties at the nano level. It's okay, it is very good. But at the same time, when these nanoparticles are being used in different industrial purposes, for example, in medical industries, so nano drugs which are being injected, so it is there should be arrangement, there should be devices that these nano drugs are not affecting, means these are not giving the disadvantageous effect to other organs as well. So whatever is the exact place of injecting such type of nanoparticles, nano drugs, they should go to those places only. So if you see what happens in a casting process, that is a conventional greens and mold casting process, what happens if you are increasing the pouring temperature, what happens? The fluidity of the molten material is always desirable. But if the fluidity is beyond a particular limit, when it is flowing in the mold, due to porosity nature of the greens and mold, it is occupying positions in the pores. So this fluidity, though it is supposed to be good, but occupying the position in the pores, that is undesirable. So similar type of challenges we have to face, and we are still facing in our micro manufacturing and nano manufacturing industries as well. So, and thus we have to think about these things. So what I told you, that this is the work which we have to perform, and by work we can accomplish the things which is desirable by us. And one thing I would like to mention here, I think Professor P.M. Pandey, who is a good friend of mine, and we are connected since a long time, and whether he has joined or left this meeting. So Dr. Arun Kumar Pandey was my PhD student, as I remember. Professor P.M. Pandey was the examiner of his PhD thesis. So we all three were there in that examination, so in different roles. So I am happy to see that Dr. Pandey is doing his intended job successfully, and this certificate was provided by evaluator Professor P.M. Pandey himself. He is still leading this institution, and I hope he will try to do all desirable work under his leadership. So once again, I say that this is the hard work that can overcome all difficulties faced by manufacturing industries and manufacturing engineers. One very important thing I would like to say here, the participants who have joined from different parts of the country, you know, as I have already told, that this is the opportunity for us that we are getting knowledge in this single platform by different academician researcher of the important institutions, means institutions of national importance of the country. And I have heard Dr. Pandey was telling that one speaker was also from the abroad. So we should be thankful for organizers who have organized and given such a opportunity for you. And I understand that when I see the schedule, we have been able to discuss about each and everything from materials to manufacturing. In manufacturing, we have seen the micro farming, from micro farming to micro machining processes. So those participants who have joined here, I hope that this course will be useful somewhere in their career journey, and I wish you all the best, that you grow in your career and you do better for society, for your country, and for your institution where you are working. So let us not think here only about the opportunities and challenges, but try to make a full plan for overcoming these, and that can be done only by hard working. So I shall finish my today's speech only by saying few words of Sanskrit sloka. उद्यमेन हि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मनोरथै न सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य प्रविशन्ति मुखे मृगाः. So the meaning of this sloka is that every hard work is every work can be accomplished by hard work, not only by the thinking. In the similar way as deer does not enter in the mouth of sleeping lion. So let us be ready to work hard to overcome these challenges. Okay. With these words, once again, I congratulate you. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. And it was very generous talk from your side, sir. Thank you so much for giving us those kind words of yours. Now I would like to thank all the AICT officials and NRO Kanpur officials and also the Atal officials who not only has sponsored us, but also right from the scrutiny and also the allocation of funds, they have been continuously supporting us. Like document verification and all those things, they have been continuously supporting us. I thank them for the financial support and the necessary time they've given us for organizing such an event. And next, I'd like to thank our chief guest for coming today, joining us through Google Meet. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. And also, I'd like to thank our director, Professor P.M. Pandey, sir, for his continuous support and most importantly, for enlightening us with his words in the field of additive manufacturing that he has taken the lecture on. I hope we all have understood the lecture deeply so that we could able to excel in wherever we go. And also, finally, again, I thank the head of the department, Professor Sanjay Agarwal, sir, for his continuous guidance and support right from the documentation side. He has just guided us how to do all those things in a proper channel. I thank him for just guiding us in this perspective. Thank you, sir. And lastly, I like to thank our organizer from BIT, Dr. Arun Pandey, sir, for giving his time and effort. I think you can just see through it how the program has been conducted through. And also, I just thank him for conducting the FDP smoothly. And last but not the least, we participants without whom the FDP might be null and void. So we just we thank all the participants for giving the time in spite of the classes and all. I know it's very tough for you to people to join, but still you have just taken out time and you have joined here through Google Meet. Thank you so much for joining and thank you so much for attending. And finally, I'll be just closing with a simple quote that Albert Einstein has given. He has said that intellectual growth should commence at birth and cease only at death, given by Albert Einstein. Thank you all for joining. Till then, when we have our next FTP, till then, it's bye-bye for you all, guys. Thank you so much for joining.
Sir, Arun Kumar, sir, please, all of you, videos on, sir, take a clip.
Participants, from participant side, do you want to share anything? Do anybody want to share their experience? Okay, can we have your video on so that we'll have yes, Reddy ji, yeah. Could you please switch on your cams so that we'll have a pic all together? I request all the participants to please switch on your cameras.
Already done, sir.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much, Vishwas. For those who haven't switched on, I think I should be more specific. We all are teachers. You will catch it like anything. Yeah.
I guess all others are joined only, sir.
Yeah. Acha, Madhav Reddy ji, you're telling something.
No, sir. Nothing, sir.
Anybody want to share your experience? Okay, thank you so much for attending. Thank you. See you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.